Before starting, ensure that both safety hooks are properly engaged and the bed is positioned centrally in the area to be used with enough space to open it out without hitting anything. Disengage the safety hook on one side only. Swivel the bed round so that the remaining engaged safety hook faces you and reapply the brakes. Standing in front of the still engaged safety hook and holding the two halves of the bed together in the closed position with one hand placed across and squeezing together both curved end rails, disengage the remaining safety hook with the other hand. Transfer one hand to each curved end rail and holding one end of the bed in the closed vertical position with one hand, lower the other end of the bed to the ground with the other hand. Avoid stretching. The legs will automatically open as the end is lowered. Finally, lower the other end of the bed. The safety hooks can be left dangling vertically underneath the bed frame whilst the bed is in use. Alternatively, they can be stored horizontally using the eyes provided on each side of the bed frame. The Glide-Away guest bed is now ready for use. To fold the Glide-Away guest bed away again, holding onto the curved end rail of one end with one hand, lift that end of the bed into the closed vertical position. Holding the raised end of the bed in position with one hand, place the other hand on the curved end rail of the still lowered half and raise it also to the closed vertical position. Avoid stretching. Squeezing both curved end rails together with one hand, engage the safety hook on one side of the bed with the other hand. Release the brakes. Swivel the bed round and engage the safety hooks on the other side also. With both safety hooks properly engaged, the bed can be wheeled safely away to a new position or for storage. We recommend applying both brakes when the bed is left folded up.